Hey guys, what's up? Tim here. So in this video, I want to show you how you can create fake reviews for your WooCommerce online store. So if you have a WooCommerce online store and if you want to sell products on your store, or if you have a dropshipping store or a general online store, then it is so important that you have reviews on your website or on your product, that the specific products you want to sell have reviews. And of course, it's really hard to get reviews the natural way, especially when your e-commerce store is brand new. Then nobody bought from your store, and nobody will buy from your store when you don't have any reviews. And here I found a cool graphic. So the graphic shows how important the online reviews or the product reviews are for e-commerce stores or for products in general. So you know this when you are shopping online on an independent online store or on Amazon or something like this, then you always look for good reviews or read the reviews and read the bad reviews so that you can decide if you want to buy the product or not. And so when you here you can see 91% of customers regular or occasionally read online reviews, 84% of people trust online reviews as much as a personal recommendation, and so on and so on. Here you can see how important online reviews are. And so if your store is brand new, then you cannot get any reviews because nobody knows your store, nobody knows your products. And for this, I created a plugin that I want to show you today in this video. So for this, I created a test store. Oh, and here you can see this is my test store. This is a normal Astra store, so nothing too fancy, but WooCommerce store. And here you can see we have some products, and also the back end. You can see the products with no star rating. And let's go, for example, let's go to this product. And this product page is really cool. When somebody lands on the product page, of course, this is not cool, but imagine this is a finished online store and somebody lands on the store. Maybe you run paid Facebook ads or something like this, and then they see that you don't have any reviews, or that this product don't have any reviews. Then most likely they will bounce and they will not buy this product from you, and they will go to a different store and buy the product or a similar product on the different store or on a similar store. Then now I want to show you how we can fix this. So for this, we have to go to the back end, then we have to go to plugins, add new plugin. And then we want to upload a plugin. I will leave the link to this plugin in the video description down below, so you can check it out. Then let me grab the zip file. Let me put this here and then install now. So, and then we click on activate the plugin. And here you can see, here is the plugin, fake reviews for WooCommerce. You can see this is my own plugin, and then we go, and then the settings you will find under WooCommerce, and then here you can see a new option, fake reviews. We click here, and so on this page, we have different settings we can make. So we can generate fake product reviews for all products, or we can choose. We can choose a product. So for this video, for testing, let's choose this product, assorted coffee. So let's see where there it is. And here you can put in some custom, or here you have to put in some customer names. And also, if you don't have any names, then here is a prompt for ChatGPT. You can put in to ChatGPT, and then ChatGPT will give you the names. And also we have to put in the review text, so 1 per line. Here is the explainer text, why we need this, and also here is the prompt if you want to create those review text with ChatGPT, then yeah, grab it here and put it into ChatGPT. And here, this is really interesting and yeah, really good that we can choose the start date. So we can choose yeah, any date you want from where these reviews will start. So when we can go back to, I don't know, November 2024, let's choose this, and then yeah, the plugin will randomly generate the product reviews started from this date. So, and let me and also the star rating. Here are the star ratings, so we can choose what kind of ratings we want to generate. We want to generate yeah, 3 to 5 star reviews, so that we don't only have 5-star reviews. So only 5-star reviews, it is yeah, not natural. So we have to have a few 3 and a few 4-star reviews. So we can leave this here, and here you can choose the number of reviews you want to generate for each product. So you can from 1 to 1 million reviews per product. And yeah, so then let me quickly grab the names. Let me paste in the names. Okay, let me paste in the names. So here we have now quite a few names. So of course, 1 name per line. You can put in as many names as you want. You can put in 5 names or 500 names. It doesn't matter. And then, yeah, we have to grab the review text. So I already created a few sample review texts there. And here's the same. So 1 review text per line. Let me paste it in here. So, and here's the same. You can paste in 1 or 1 million review text. So these review text will be randomly combined with the names here, with the fake names. And then yeah, so we already selected the product. Then let's, for example, put in let's put in 10 different reviews, and then yeah, let's click on generate reviews, and let's see. So this should be really fast. Yeah, and already done. Then let's go back to our product, and then let's refresh our product. And yeah, here now you can see we have 20 customer reviews. So I don't know why 20. I don't know what I've done wrong here, but yeah, now we have the reviews. Here you can see we have Sarah, 5-star, perfect, Jonas, and here we have a 4-star review from Helena. Then Christian, we have a 4-star review, and so on and so forth. Here we have a 3-star review. And yeah, so then we have a mixture of all kind of different reviews. Then let's go back here, and yeah, so that's that's it for this video. Now you know how you can create these fake reviews, product reviews for your WooCommerce store. And yeah, now you know how important reviews are for your store, for your product. So if you don't have any reviews on your product pages, then it's yeah, it's not good, because people don't trust your product, don't trust your store. People want to see reviews, and yeah, this is a great way to get reviews early on. So, and of course, they cannot, when a real customer visit your product, then they cannot see if this review is fake or if this is a real review. And also, Google also will pick this up, and then you will see when this product, for example, will show up in the organic Google search, then they will see that this product has an overall rating of 4.3 or whatever this is. And yeah, then this is also good for your SEO. And yeah, make sure that you create some reviews, initial reviews for your products, and that in order that customers will trust your product, will trust your store. So I will put the link to this plugin. If you want to have this plugin, I will put it in the video description down below. So this is really easy, functions really well. And yeah, you don't need ChatGPT integration or ChatGPT API. You can create these names and also the review text in the normal ChatGPT. And yeah, so then that's it for the video. So I hope you found the video informative. If you found the video informative, then yeah, please press the thumbs up button. Also, yeah, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please support me on Patreon. You will find all the links in the video description down below. And yeah, then that's it for the video. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye guys.